intelligent, talented, and full of potential. And I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll accomplish. Kung meron man ditong nagbabalak umakyat ng bundok ng ligawan,
Happy birthday, I love you so much. You're not just a friend, but also a sister to me. Kada nakikita kita, napapangiti lang ako. Ayun, happy birthday!
Nakapag-date ka, pwede mong gamitin to.
painting, portrait ko sa'yo. Continue being happy, optimistic, and grow.
Pagmite, kahit nasa anong hamong sitwasyon, katulad ng sports fest, nung sumali ka ng basketball, pinabalibag ka na nakangiti ka pa rin.
Thank you for making our life much brighter at
God guide you through your journey na ngayon na 18 ka.
kasi you are our ball of sunshine. Ang batang makulit ay papaluin sa puwet.
Ang nagsaing iba ang kapain.
Jo, pagod na ako!
Jo, ano ba? Pinag-usapan na natin to eh.
Ang Mario Rivera ng
At ang Dingdong Dantes ng Dasmariña.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Masusakit po na mahulugan po ng sana.
Pwede. Ano? Nagkakagatan nila.
Ang palinaw ng nanay ko sa maraming tao. Taho?
Masaya ba ang mga manok na pinapatay sa Jollibee at sila ay tinawag na Chicken Joy?
I'm taking names, I rule the world, I run the game, I do it my own way, my own way. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I've got the rising power, I've got what you need. Take it a little bit louder if you like what you see. All eyes on me. Can't catch me, I'm on the run. All that's left's a smoking gun. I come with a warning sign. Keep away, I'm rough to ride.
I pray that you make Jesus your best friend because He can be everything that you need. He is always enough, and as He blesses you, may you bless Him with your life.
All eyes on me. I've got the rising power, I've got what you need. Take it a little bit louder if you like what you see. All eyes on me. Yeah, I've got the power, I've got the power. Yeah, I'll make it louder, I'll
Sa
make it
buhay, si Lord ang dapat priority at lalo na sa bagong level ng iyong buhay. Happy birthday, Rhea. Mas masarap yung bilhin mo kung ano gusto niya. So, yun ang aking gift sa kanya.
me. All eyes on me. I've got the
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord.
plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope for the future.
Knowing that whatever happens, He always got us, He always got you.